Shawan, Eden. Hello, my people. Welcome to another one. In my last video, I said our next learning is going to be on control room, right? Which is another feature in Cubase that I quite enjoy a lot. Let's start here. You have installed your Cubase. Now you have your Cubase active on your system, and now you want to configure your sound, right? The easiest way to configure would be, you can see it's got input, audio output, and then control room. So the quickest way would be to go to audio outputs, audio device, and you select the audio interface, right? But if you do it this way, you're controlling your volume only on your audio interface. So you would physically have to go reach out to the volume every time you're working on your production, mixing, or whatever the case may be. Whereas with control room, you can click here, it will take you directly to control room here, or you can go to studio and then you click audio connections. It will bring you to the same screen, and then you'll go to control room. So how do we set up control room? You'll see control room tab, there's a power button, it's active. On your first installation of Cubase, it may be off, so you would need to power it on there. Right now, what we're going to do next, we want to configure our audio interfaces. So what we do, we go to add channel, you click add channel. We want to configure our studio monitors through our audio device, obviously. So you add monitor, then you can name it whatever you want, or you can name it the name of the brand, right? And if you've got more than one, you're more than welcome to add another one. In fact, you would have to add another one, right? So that's how you would do it. You add. Why do people add multiple? Well, audio interfaces are not the same. They don't have the same quality. Number two, most people in their studios, they have more than one set of studio monitors and different sizes. When they're working on their track, mixing or mastering, they want to reference between different speaker sizes. You just connect your set of speakers to a certain audio interface and another set of speakers to another. Then to switch between the speakers, you would select the audio interface they're connected to here. So this simplifies that process, right? But one more thing that we need to do, which is the Q. So you add Q there. I will name it monitoring channel. You will understand when we demonstrate what this is, but it's also very handy. Now, the sound card or audio interface that you're using or that you want active, you would select it under audio device. So when you play your sound, now I've got a loop there. The difference is that now that we have control room, this is how you control your volume. Now, this level is just for your monitoring purposes. It has nothing to do with the volume of your project. We didn't touch anything there on the faders. This is the loop channel, right? We didn't touch the fader. We didn't touch anything. It's on its original volume. What we do here is just for our monitoring purposes. So if it's playing this soft, it's because we want to hear it this soft. But if we take it to 0, that is the original volume of the project. But whatever we do here has nothing to do with the volume of the project. So we'll end it here for today. I've showed you how to configure. Join me on the next one when we demonstrate how to get the best out of control room in your production, in your mixing, and in your mastering stages. Thank you very much for watching. Share, like, you know the drill, subscribe, and comment if you didn't understand something on the setting or how I demonstrated setting up, or you've got something that you want to set up that is hardware or whatever. Hit me up on the comment and we shall try and help you on that. Otherwise, from me, DNV, thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.